is we're going to talk about a couple of trends that happen as we move from left to right across the periodic table, besides just the families. And the first one of these is what we call the valence electron numbers. So valence electron numbers are going to be a huge part of this class, and knowing those are going to be key. So I'm going to put the valence electron numbers on the left side of the column. So leave the right side of the column open because we're going to put another number up there that means something else. So column 1 has 1 valence electron. Column 2 has 2 valence electrons. And then we skip this whole chunk of metals right here in the middle, and we head over here to column 13, and it has 3 valence electrons. 14 has 4. Column 15 has 5. Column 16 has 6. Column 17 has 7. And column 18 has 8. And again, down here at the bottom, I'm going to just put, so mine are red numbers on my periodic table. And so I'm going to list down here that my red numbers are valence electrons. Well, if they're so important, what are valence electrons? Valence electrons are the outermost electrons. All right, and that's a big deal in this class. All right, knowing your valence electrons is going to be critical for a lot of things that we are going to learn and talk about. The other number that is important to know from our periodic table is called the oxidation number. All right, again, we're going to label those same columns that we just had. Column 1's oxidation number is +1. And I'm going to put these numbers on the right-hand side of the column, and I'm doing them in blue so that you can see the difference. All right, column 2's oxidation number is +2. Again, we're going to skip these metals right here in the center, and I'm going to head over here to column 13, which is a +3. Column 14 is a plus or -4. So it goes back and forth, and I know that might be a little hard to see up there, but it's a plus and then a slash and a minus. All right, then column 15 is -3. Column 16 is -2. Column 17 is -1. And our noble gas family doesn't have an oxidation number. And again, I'm going to come down at the bottom here. And my blue numbers are my oxidation numbers. And oxidation numbers tell me how an element bonds.